Okay, we were all talking to this lady here, and Uriah opened up 2 of the eggs already. So we have to buy them. Good morning, guys. Oh, the stroller's rolling. We're waiting at the bus stop. Told PJ we would take him to a toy store today, and then later today we're gonna be checking back into the chalet that we were at last week. But happy Father's Day, Power.
Thank you.
I kind of forgot that it was Father's Day. I'm really bad, especially because we're on vacation. Like, I don't know what day it is.
You probably saw it on Facebook or something.
I did. It was your dad's post.
I didn't say happy Father's Day to my dad either.
So yeah, I didn't get him anything. Sorry. But I gave you money to buy your really expensive shirt yesterday. So happy Father's Day. Boys, did you guys say happy Father's Day?
Yeah.
After I told you. I'm gonna buy something for Dad today? Alright.
He got a little bit of money, so we told him we could buy a toy. Plus, he's been really good today. He helped us out a lot when
we were packing and cleaning.
Once I've been in the front, and I've been in the back.
You're such a cool kid. I feel like all the cool kids want to sit in the back of the bus, right? Isn't that how it was? I wanted to sit in the back, and it just so happened all this was open.
Please take this.
It's a bit crowded. There's seats right there in front of us. Made it.
We're getting pretty good at this public transportation stuff.
Now, do you remember the way inside the shopping center?
Easy
The
peasy.
shopping center.
Easy.
I think last time we got a little bit confused, but then we made our way. That's fine. Dude, is it really noon right now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I feel like we have done nothing.
It's like lunchtime. We need coffee.
Lunchtime, I need coffee.
We mean do nothing. We like cleaned up
Clean.
and packed. Where you going, yo?
I don't know.
We are at the mall.
Can I go in there?
Yeah, that's where I was gonna take you, dude.
Let's go.
You wanna see where all the Pokemon stuff are? Get up and walk. I saw it, I'm like, oh man, PJ's gonna wanna come here. Is this what you got? Is this the same one?
Yeah.
He said he bought this. It's only $14 here. You spent 20 bucks. So expensive.
What's this guy's name? What's this guy's name?
Hey, pick a... What?
Another Guardian.
Oh my goodness. Is that what you're gonna pick?
Maybe.
You don't want this guy? The last one?
I mean, this guy?
No, this guy.
No,
You don't want him?
This is a totem Pokemon.
Oh yeah?
Remember we battled him in the...
Yeah, they got Master Balls. Ditto. They got Rotom decks. They even got these blind bags.
Cool. What's that one?
What's this one? I don't know what this one is.
So hard to pick.
My suggestion is you just probably get another totem Pokemon to complete your collection, huh?
What collection?
Of all your totem Pokemons, right? Then you just need one more after that guy.
That guy?
No, we're not totem Pokemon, Guardians. So you need this guy. This is, who is this? Tapu Lele?
No. I would like to complete.
He was like, oh my goodness. I'm like, I knew that would be his reaction when he saw this Pokemon stuff.
Go ahead, Uriah. Go ahead and look at your toys, okay?
This is what I want.
car said he wants to eat something different today. I guess that we've been having so much Asian food. So we were next to the Pizza Hut. He saw this KFC. He's like, oh, I want to eat KFC. But like, look how tiny this little stand is. Oh, okay. But it looks so tiny. Oh, okay. And he's been wanting to eat KFC. So I guess we're having KFC for lunch today.
Pretty big in here.
Yeah. Looks like we got some chicken. PJ already picked one up, claimed one for himself. What is this?
The mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes? The whole thing is mashed potatoes?
And chicken.
Oh.
That one?
Who's gonna pray?
Me.
Okay. Is it spicy for you? A little spicy? Dad said it was even a little spicy.
It's not spicy for me, I think for them.
How is it?
Pretty good.
I asked for an extra spoon and gave me this little itty bitty one.
Mashed potato soup.
I ate so much yesterday. I gotta calm down a little bit today.
He's like grimacing every time he eats it.
But he's still eating it. Everybody in this house will eat spicy, but you.
We're not in the house.
I don't know. I was wondering the same thing. They have like mushrooms in this house.
We're not in the house. We're not in the house. We're in the family. Oh, mommy.
Let me explain what there is here. There's mashed potatoes, some chicken nuggets, some nacho cheese, some gravy, and some mushrooms.
I noticed the Singaporeans like nacho cheese.
Yeah.
And they like mushrooms.
Yeah, I know.
I like mushrooms.
I agree. Oh, Uriah's trying to get some water. We just took a grab back to the chalet. Grandma is checking in. Dad is getting some water. Both boys fell asleep in the car, so that's good. They got their nap in. It's quite late already, quite late in the day.
Time just to take it easy.
Probably like 5 or maybe even after 5. We're just gonna check in, take it easy, get some dinner later. Too late for Wild Wild Wet today, but we have 2 more days. We're gonna go tomorrow and the next day. PJ, when we were driving in and you were asleep, we saw like some dinosaurs, not real ones, but just like some displays, like real big displays. Yeah, this is pretty cool. That's what your dad does. Glossed over, like eye squinty, like I don't really know what you mean. I'm not really listening, but I'm gonna pretend like I am. Type of look. Dad gives me that look all the time. We were walking to our room and we stumbled across this huge snail. Oh man, that is huge. Look at that shell. I don't really like snails, don't really think too much of them, but that is one huge snail. Last time we stayed in that room right there. This time we're in a room over here. I hope it doesn't get too loud at night because when people are out here like barbecuing and just like hanging out, having fun, it tends to get pretty loud, right? So actually this room does look a little different. Huh. We have like the glass doors here. Hello. The other one just had a shower curtain. This one's not a shower curtain.
Is it better?
I don't know, I guess. I do like the fact that they have a designated showering,
Oh yeah.
you know, shower.
For sure.
And it's not like just the room. Here, I just look at. Let's take a look what's outside here. More barbecue pits! I really hope it doesn't get too loud.
What did you say?
I said I hope it doesn't get too loud at night.
PJ really wants me to vlog him dropping his apple into the trash can. Okay, go for it, dude. Score!
We're at the shopping center again. We're actually meeting up with Auntie for dinner. So we're just kind of chilling. I was telling Power, my bug bite really is so itchy. He says to put some tape on it.
My method for healing itchy bug bites.
It's duct tape.
It feels better, trust me.
Power, oh, there's a train.
I use it all the time. All the time. Even PJ does it. PJ, it helps, right?
I don't know about that. But Power had to buy duct tape because he had a MacGyver something to fix this strap because it broke. Yeah, it's working pretty good. We found these eggs with Pokemon and Baby Shark. Hold on, she says wait. Can you wait? We have the one set one with the Baby Shark. This is a whole family of Baby Sharks here. Probably too expensive though. Okay, we were all talking to this lady here, and Uriah opened up 2 of the eggs already. So we have to buy them because he peeled the sticker. It's kind of expensive for like 2 sets. Oh my, so we ended up buying 2 sets. But Grandma haggled a little, got a little bit more of a discount. Yeah, my face. One time? You go and noodles and you food too. Oh yeah. I try and look.
I tried some.
This one's $5, come with drinks.
How much is the watch on?
Power tried this one. He said this one was better.
Mom already, you gave us some juice already, right?
What?
You gave him juice already,
I
right?
did.
No more.
Oh, Grandma got the kids some sweets. I don't know, Dad. Are we gonna let them eat it? It's fine, Dad says. This is a push and pop. Mess it up.
That yellow thing is made out of cheese.
It's like cheesecake, maybe?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, go there. Go there. Daddy has a chocolate one. PJ, so after you finish this layer, you push it up some more. You know that, right? You didn't push it up for him, Dad?
I didn't want to push up too much.
Oh. How's he gonna eat it? Hey.
Sorry, Mommy, help.
No. He ate it off the floor. So I couldn't sleep last night. I went on YouTube and I looked up like how to make pandan waffles because I feel like we can make kaya pandan waffles when we're at home. So I'm here at the market buying pandan paste. I'm gonna buy a couple.
A couple too.
A few.
I think this is ham.
It's pork. Look, they have chocolate rice. It's
just sprinkles. It's just chocolate sprinkles. They call it chocolate rice.
Uriah loves these baby sharks, and they had some baby shark toys. There's baby shark. There's daddy shark. There's mommy shark. There's grandma shark. And there's grandpa shark. Can you sing a song for us? Start it off, Uriah, go. Who's next?
Baby shark. Baby shark Baby shark.
Even matches his shirt. You see his shirt? He got this baby shark, and then we even got ping pong. Who's that one?
That's Mama shark.
Okay, sing it.
Mama shark doo-doo. Mama shark.
Who's next? She was like all these little things too. Maybe we can put these in for the Zuma. This is probably the most excited he's been for toys. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. Like the thumbs up, subscribe below. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.
It's so hard to come here and not try the food, like not eat.